Hello, dear Pisces. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. Okay, so keep in mind this is a journal of reading. It might or might not resonate with you. Okay, let's start. Pisces, your partner's current energy right now. Your partner's current energy right now. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now. Pisces is your partner's current energy. Eight of Pentacles. I feel like this person is working on something and they are working really very hard. They are making something out of their own hands, own efforts, own hard work. Might be they're working on their business, on their money right now, but this person is right now busy working on something. Okay, busy creating something. So let's clarify, Pisces, your partner's current energy, what they are busy in. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Queen of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the King of Wands. Okay. So I feel like this person is working on the relationship aspect of their life. Okay. They are trying to be very honest and very blunt with them. And I feel like this person wants to offer you something. This person is feeling emotions for you, and this person is carrying a lot of passion for you. Physical passion. I can feel like physically they are very passionate about you. Might be this is like physical attraction towards you or physical pull towards you. So right now this person's intentions towards you are very clear. They are very clear that they have emotions for you, that they love you, and at the same time simultaneously they are very passionate about this connection, and that is why they are trying to work on this connection. They are putting the efforts up, they are putting the energy to work on this particular connection with you. Okay, this is what they are building. This is what they are making with their own hands. They are building this connection day by day. They are at least trying to build this connection day by day with you. Good energy. Let's see, Pisces, your current energy. Let's see what is your current energy right now. Pisces, your current energy right now is the Hanged Man. I feel like, Pisces, you're taking a break from something or from someone, or might be in journal in your life. So I feel like you are right now in this energy of taking a break because you are feeling stuck somewhere, and you are just trying to see the world from a different point of view, from a different perspective. You are trying to see everybody around you in a different light, and you're trying to understand other person's point of views as well. So let's clarify, why are you feeling stuck or why are you behaving like this? Let's clarify, Pisces. Death, Four of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Yes, so you could be dealing with the Scorpio. So I feel like there was something, might be there was an end of a connection, and this end of the connection was very painful for you because you were hoping to have a long term commitment or long term offer or long term marriage kind of thing from this particular person. But this person walked away, or this person turned their back towards you, and this person made you feel like, no, this is not going to happen. Okay, and the transformation because of this, because of all this scenario, because this person broke your heart in the past, because your heart was broken, your dream was broken, and this person turned their back towards you. Right now you are feeling stuck, so right now you are trying to step back from this connection, step back from any kind of emotional connection in your life. That is why I feel like you are being stuck somewhere, and that is why you're trying to get some kind of enlightenment, some kind of spirituality in your life, and you're just trying to focus on yourself, shift your focus to something else. This is what you are, that this is what your current energy is right now. Let's see what this particular person feels for you, Pisces. What this particular person feels for you. Let's see, Pisces. Let's see what this person feels for you. Two of Swords. Okay, I feel like although this person is very clear that they have passion for you, that they have love for you, I feel like this person is emotionally off right now, emotionally closed off right now. They are feeling like this is not the right time. or it could also mean that they are on the crossroads. They are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this particular connection. Okay, this is like they are very very confused and closed off and not ready to tell you exactly what they are going through. They are not able to make any kind of decision that I am sure about. Let's clarify the two of swords further. Two of pentacles, the chariot, and the six of pentacles. So yes, this person is hell lot of confused because two of swords is clarified by the two of pentacles. This person is juggling between moving on or coming toward or coming back towards you. So this person right now is very very confused between whether they should move on or they should. You would be dealing with an Aquarius. So I feel like sorry. So I feel like this person right now is feeling like what should I do? What should I do? Should I just move on or should I just try to give this person another chance or this connection another chance, or spend my energy on this connection, or be ready for the equal give and take. Okay, so that is why they are on the crossroads. They are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this connection. This is what their feelings for this particular connection are. Let's see what this person wants from you, Pisces. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Nine of Wands. This person wants you to be emotionally stable. So I feel like this person wants you to come out of this negative energy, come out of this hurtful energy, and they want you to, pull down your walls. I feel like you are emotionally off towards this particular person. You are not talking to this particular person, might be, or you're not giving a good response to them, or there's something that is really that was really very very hurtful for you, and you are emotionally off right now. You are putting your walls high and you're not talking to this person. You're standing your own ground. So although intuitively I feel like this, Pisces, although you are very very deeply hurt by something that they did in the past, still you have a hope that everything is going to be fine soon. Okay, and this person wants you to come out of this hurtful situation and talk to them and communicate well with them. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify further what what this particular person wants from you. June is going to be a difficult month for every sign. I'm seeing this, except Taurus and Leos. So yes, this particular person feels like you should come out of this zone because they feel like there is stability in this connection. They want you to feel the stability in this connection. They want to feel this energy of love in this connection, and they want you to come out of this confusing state and go straight towards them. Okay, this is what they are feel. This is what they want from you. They want you to feel realize that there is stability in this connection. There is love in this connection. There is a long term potential in this connection, and they want you to come out of this confusing state of mind. Might be you are having lots of options in your life regarding love, or might be you are having lots of options in your career or something like that. You are confused and they want you to come out of this confusing state of mind, and they want you to go straight towards them. Okay, don't go there, don't go that side, just go straight towards them and talk to them clearly and honestly. This is what they want from you, Pisces. There's lots of air energy here, Libra, or like, what should I say, Pentacles energies is also there. So Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, it could be any sign doesn't matter, actually the energy matters. So let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of June. What to expect from this person till the 10th of June. Let's see. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with a peaceful resolution. Okay, they're still carrying the baggage of the past. Okay, but they want the baggage of the past to remain in the past, and they want to have a peaceful resolution. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with a peaceful resolution to this thing, to this whole conflicting scenario, to this whole conflicting situation. Let's clarify. Let's clarify further. Let's clarify. Ace of Swords, the Nine of Cups in reverse, and the Four of Swords. Yes. So I feel like they want to have a brand new victorious start with you because there was hell lot of conflicts going on between you guys, and this was blocking their happiness, this was blocking their wish fulfillment. They were not happy, they were not feeling happy without you, they were feeling unhappy and lost without you. And they felt heartbroken, and they were in this healing zone. Right now I feel like this person is healing from this wound, and they want you to also, they want you also to heal from this wound and start all over again, because this person is definitely coming back towards you with a peaceful resolution, because they feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection, there should be success and victory in this connection. Because without you they are feeling lost, without you they are feeling there's some kind of blockage in their happiness. And they thought about this, they are thinking about this a lot, they are contemplating a lot about this particular connection, and that is why they are coming in towards you with a peaceful resolution. Okay, so thank you so much, Pisces, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you.